Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Infinity Reference speakers, 9632ix. This is going to the rear of my 2009 Toyota Yaris Sedan. These are 6x9s. If you watched my previous video, the Infinity Reference 6532ix, those were 6.5 inches, and those were the front speakers that go inside the door. I installed the front speakers yesterday. I haven't uploaded the video yet. Hopefully I had that uploaded by Monday. It's a long video. Just in case this video uploads before that, you know what's going on with the install video. I also will be doing an install video of these 6x9s. Hopefully I'll do this tomorrow, Saturday, January 25th. I'll be doing the install depending on the weather. It's raining and they're calling for rain again tomorrow, so I don't know. If not, I'll do it on the next day if it's nice and all that. But let's get on with the unboxing. So similar packaging to the 6532ix speakers, just a bigger box since these are 6x9s. But overall, similar packaging. So here's the top. These are 300 watts, 6x9. Get that to focus. 6x9 high performance. Dimensions. There's a picture of the speaker. So same thing as the previous one. Well, 6532 box, max power or max power. Tweeter attenuation switch. I forgot to mention that to you guys. If you look closely at this little upside down triangle, which is also showing what the speaker is supposed to be facing. Well, obviously because the name. But this is also the switch where that's what this is pretty much talking about. So it's where you can switch between and all that. I don't know all the technical details, but it's a difference. Angle tweeter, edge driven tweeter, +1, true 4 ohm, designed to fit. Infinity. Let's go to the bottom. It's a whole bunch of jibber jabber on all that. As you can see, more pictures of the speakers. I said all the speakers. That's the top view. That's the side view. And you can see how much bigger, well, how big it is from the side. And from my experience from doing the 2008 Toyota Yaris, when I did the Scar audio speakers, factory speakers is nowhere as big as this is. You will be seeing it when I do the install video for these. UPC, EN, SAT, model number, serial number. Go to the side. Same thing, high performance, picture. Top. Pretty much same information. Go to the other side. Yep, upside down. So that's the foam installation. That's the grill. Quick clips, the screws. Installation. Wait a minute. That might be the bracket. Installation. And obviously the speaker. Now to the back side. Upside down again. Alright, so the back pretty much similar to the 6532 box. And one thing I could say I like this about Infinity, they put the template on the box. So you know where each screw is supposed to go. So here's more views, what angles of the speaker. Come on, camera, focus. 6x9 plus one oversized woofer cones for a deeper bass. Adjustable tweeter output. Has driven textile tweeters, compact design to fit most vehicles. And then technical specs. All right, so now let's get on to the good part. Sorry, I kind of flew through all that. It's same exact, well, similar to the 6532s and all that. All right, I'm gonna set the camera down real quick. Pull this out. So same thing as the 6532 speaker unboxing, decals, manual. I believe it was warranty. I never opened the 6532 one. So same thing as 6532X Infinity speakers. That's the installation. You got your quick clips, screws, long, short. Actually, they're all long. In the 6532, it had the short ones too included. But you ain't gonna need all this. I know that for a fact. So I've done a similar install on my old Yaris. So yeah, I was right. So here's the bracket. As you can see, camera start getting out of focus. Put so much stuff in the camera. Come on, focus. All right, there you go. The bracket. And then obviously the speaker. Alright, let me open this real quick. So here's the grill. As you can see. And then here's the speaker. And here's, come zoom in. Come on, focus. And here's a little switch, so if you can hear the click. Try to get some light on this. So when it's up is 0. What? OB. There you go. 0, and then when it's pushed down, it's plus 3 decibels. That's what dB stand for. So when it's up, it's 0 decibels. When it's down, it's plus 3. So amplifying it. And here's the back. Another piece you're gonna need, the factory. If you got the Yaris, the factory connection that goes to the factory speakers ain't gonna fit these. So if you guys don't know what this is supposed to go here, it's the Metro connectors. If you go watch my 6532 unboxing, I'll show those in the video. I had 2 sets of those. I'll show both. I showed one set in there, but I showed both boxes. But the skinny one, as you see here, that's the negative. The wider one you see here, that's the positive. So black wire will go there, white wire will go here. I'll also show you that in the install. So there it is in all its beauty. And here's the other speaker. Right there. I ain't gonna open it because it's pretty much just gonna be looking at the same thing, but matter of fact, screw it. It's unboxing. Might as well open both. Same thing, grill. There's both speakers. Grill, and that. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I got a lot more coming to you guys, and possibly other projects and stuff. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.